around Goldenberg, and I want to assure this committee and the country at large that my conscience is clear. My conscience is clear. This was a menace to this country. It was a program of export compensation, which was a policy position of the government of the day to try and spur exports in this country. And then it was abused. And in the process of it being abused, it caused havoc. And I would really plead that the members of the public, and more so I would appeal through members of the Fourth Estate here, if they can help Kenyans to dissect the Judicial Commission of Inquiry report in this country, it will really help in getting Kenyans to understand where we were, what was this about, and how did it come to an end. I can only plead on that basis.